Exposing the secret life of our feline friends underwater. Ever wonder what your cat does when you're not looking? Dive in to find out. Meet Whiskers, our perfectly curious cat who's diving into the deep blue sea. Whiskers isn't just chasing fish, he's making friends with them. Look at him waving hi to Mr. Bubbles, the friendliest fish in the reef. And what's this? Whiskers found a treasure chest. Inside, catnip pearls, of course. Whiskers is the ultimate underwater explorer, discovering hidden caves, playing with starfish, and even trying to catch a glimpse of the elusive mercat. Who knew underwater vlogging could be so pawsome? So, if you're in need of a good laugh and some feline fun, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and dive into Whiskers' next big adventure. See you under the sea, cat crew.